Most people use copy and paste every single day, at work, at home, on their laptops, on their PCs. But almost everyone is using it the wrong way, and that small mistake quietly wastes a surprising amount of time. Think about your daily workflow. You copy one line of text, then you switch tabs or apps, then you copy something else. And just like that, the first thing you copied is gone. So what do? You go back. You find it again. You copy it again. You paste it again. It feels normal. But when you repeat this dozens of times a day, it slowly kills your focus and productivity. The problem isn't copy and paste itself. The problem is relying on a single clipboard. And here's the good news. If you're on Windows, you don't have to work like that anymore. Just press Windows plus V. Instead of replacing what you copied, Windows actually saves your clipboard history. That means you can instantly access text, links, or even images that you copied earlier without recopying anything. Once you start using this, everything feels faster. Writing emails, filling out forms, doing online research, managing documents. You stop jumping back and forth. You stop breaking your concentration. You just paste what you need when you need it. And it gets even better. You can pin important clipboard items so they stay there permanently, even after you restart your computer. No apps, no extensions, no complicated setup. Just a built-in Windows feature that most people never use. Once this becomes a habit, you'll notice fewer interruptions, smoother focus, and a much cleaner workflow. Small habits matter, and fixing something as simple as copy and paste can save you more time than you expect. If you want more practical Windows tips that actually improve how you work every day, you'll find them right here on this channel. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.